Welcome to learners. Practice 300 English words with clear pronunciation. Read a short paragraph to test yourself. Practice daily and grow confident in English.
My dear friend, to improve your pronunciation, listen carefully and repeat after the audio. Don't just watch the video, start practicing.
Duty. Sack. Loaf. Raffle. Wheat. Taught. Museum. Kohl. Misery. Belief. Nagging. Verve. Afraid. Oath. Elope. Denial. Shown. Sheep. Drip. Ratty. Pace. Noise. Weird. Pilot. Recto. Matters. Whom. Support. Slave. Pipe. Borrow. Morning. Alike. Rapid. Asset. Repay. Wolf. Predict. Program. Gust. Eaten. Widow. Verge. Danger. Solid. Judge. Voyage. Tilt. Vastly. Moment. Halt. Verb. Nip. Mercury. Lane. Hero. Stuff. Lost. Honor. Praise. Luck. Carry. Gold. Fend. Angel. Prove. Grape. Hoof. Hide. Tall. Desk. Dwell. Ghost. Sill. Rarer. Sail. Ray. Sharp. June. Ins. Jar. Sap. Fig. Square. Foil. Snug. Equip. Tribe. Cub. Pin. Vex. Burial. Did. Ammo. Lunch. Mandate. Grim. Mount. Fine. Dawn. Union. Hunt. Warmth. Billion. Cab. Riley. Bureau. Wily. Sod. Spread. Carpet. Beat. Shock. Zoned. Woes. Wave. Incur. Aqua. Relax. Vortex. Boil. Ado. Retire. Coastal. Agency. Sing. Fate. Quad. Uric. Wink. Truly. Hey. Upbeat. Tutor. Axle. Rage. Mainly. Cave. Van. Arm. Sat. Drug. Inch. Intend. Enact. Bounty. Kilo. Due. Noun. Limb. Vase. Warble. Graph. Vein. Xenolith. Tap. Rear. Edged. Scan. Manage. Nearly. Tour. Xylidic. Moon. Fur. Blight. Develop. Tile. Refit. Yuck. Remap. Gore. Amuse. Battle. Lamp. Acid. Rack. Damp. Temper. Nurture. Wander. Ingest. Marble. Sash. Elder. Sumo. Oral. Pearl. Alum. burden, pouch, yogi, bond, vaccine, twin, bite, liu, fund, treat, evil, inhale, create, burst, mirror, uptake, ram, keel, die, position, zoomed, kale, eager, jab, bug, reset, shy, toad, drill, manual, Yahoo, alto, endow, Xenogen, quash, jive, project, rec, zenith, badge, flop, ragey, sight, vision, maker, wallet, zingy, silver, module, torch, jot, iron, nix, yawn, yam, whoop, coffee, rebel, 8, shake, detect, toward, beagle, grey, amir, bushel, lime, jaw, manna, beam, nod, soap, yap, yank, violin, raven, react, border, sister, retain, medium, breeze, feed, elm, zen, undo, door, flog, wrist, angle, elude, vine, round, quote, xenium, velvet, fin, quake, firm, bottle, snap, pound, lava, gene, wham, castle, twist, romance, machine, reuse, igloo.
Congratulations! Now it is time for a self-test. We will give you a paragraph from the list of words provided. Just read it and rate your level.
A lone traveler reached an ancient castle, its walls covered in velvet moss and guarded by a chilling breeze. Inside, dim lanterns cast shifting shadows over marble halls and cracked mirrors framed with xenolith stones. A desk near the entrance displayed a faded map marked igloo, pointing toward a swirling vortex. The air carried scents of coffee and ash, mingled with echoes of forgotten battles. He stepped past abandoned armor, spear, and torch, feeling the weight of centuries pressing down. At a locked stone door, engraved with knowledge demand sacrifice, he reached forward, heart racing, ready to vanish forever.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We believe this video is tremendously useful to you. Please share it with your students, friends, and family members so they can also learn and benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple and practical English learning videos.